we will see the ion selective electrode. First type of ion selective electrode is the glass electrode. Second, it is the non-glass solid electrode. So today we will see the non-glass solid electrode. First non-glass solid electrode is the fluoride ion selective electrode. So for non-glass solid electrode. In glass electrode, we see the glass membrane, glass permeable membrane. The glass permeable membrane, the exchange of ions take place. So in non-glass solid state electrode, we use the crystals in place of glass used. So here the fluoride ion selective electrode, here use the single crystals of LaF3 with europium-2. So for the replacement of glass, we use the crystals of LaF3. So in the simple electrode, solid state electrode, in this electrode we take a plastic tube. Here we take a plastic tube. In plastic tube, we put a internal solution 0.1 normal NaF and 0.1 normal NaCl solution. And AgCl kept the reference electrode. Here AgCl it is the reference electrode. And we NaF 0.1 normal and NaCl 0.1 normal. At the bottom of this plastic tube we kept the LaF3 crystals. Here we kept the LaF3 crystals. The crystal face of LaF3, here it maintains the equilibrium of internal solution of NaF. Suppose internal solution of NaF is 0.1 normal NaF solution. Here 0.1 normal NaF solution, and the LaF3 crystals, it maintains the equilibrium for internal solution. So we know the potential of this internal solution and LaF3 crystals. Potential known. So when we put this electrode in fluoride contained sample, then here is a change in the potential of internal. When we put this electrode in fluoride containing beaker or fluoride containing solution, here fluoride ion is inserted from the permeable membrane of LaF3 crystals. Here fluoride ions goes on the inside. So when the external fluoride ion goes inside this electrode, there is change in the potential of internal potential change. So जेव्हा आपण तो इलेक्ट्रोड डीप करू फ्लोराइड इलेक्ट्रोड फ्लोराइड कंटेनिंग सोल्युशन मध्ये, तर जे एक्सटर्नल फ्लोराइड सोल्युशन आहे त्या सोल्युशन मधला फ्लोराइड आयन्स आहे, ते आयन्स जेव्हा या क्रिस्टल फेसला इंटरसेक्ट होईल आणि त्याच्यामुळे काय होईल, इंटरनल सोल्युशन्स आहे NaF3 चा, त्या इंटरनल सोल्युशनचा पोटेन्शियल चेंज होईल आणि ते पोटेन्शियल रेकॉर्ड होईल. द पोटेन्शियल is against the concentration of fluoride ion. So that we detect the fluoride ion concentration. So next, non-glass solid electrode is for determination of sulfide ion. So sulfide ion in Ag2S, Ag2S metals. Here we put a Ag2S metal. The sulfide ion in the solution and here Ag2S solution. So sulfide ions in analyte solutions and in internal sulfide solution. Here changing the equilibrium. Internal equilibrium. First here some potential developed by Ag. When outer sulfide ions come in the solution, they change in the potential. So we measure the sulfide ion concentration. Also we use the copper metals, cadmium metal and lead metals for determination of the sulfide ion. Next non-glass electrode is to for measuring the iodine. So for iodine we use iodine. We use the 0.1 molar iodine solution as the internal solution standard. And here we use the AgI crystals. The crystals of AgI. First, the equilibrium between these crystals, AgI and the iodine solution. Maintain and we measure the potential of this. When we put this electrode in the solution from iodine ion from solution, it comes in contact with AgI crystals. Here we put a crystal. In the bottom surface of plastic tube, we put crystals along with polymer. So here the strong bond formed between crystals and polymer. Does not leakage of any crystals. So exchange between iodine internal and external, we change in the potential. From change the potential, we measure the concentration of iodine. Thus we included the non-glass solid state electrode for detection of fluoride, sulfide and iodine. तर 3 इलेक्ट्रोड पाहिजे आपण. तर एक्झाम मध्ये विचारू शकतात which type of electrode is useful for detection of fluoride or sulfide or iodine. Glass electrode or non-glass electrode. So for detection of fluoride, sulfide and iodine, we use non-glass electrode and the crystals of specified ions. So at bottom of electrode, we take a plastic tube. At bottom of plastic tube, we put the crystals along with polymer. And here is the internal solution. We inserted the AgHCl रेफरन्स इलेक्ट्रोड.